Hey everyone, it's Manero here, and in this video I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of June are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing, and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check out all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you're not familiar with my challenge of the month, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media by using the hashtags Manero brushes and Manero challenge, and also make sure to tag me so I and others can see it. Feel free to include this image in your post as well. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for June is Crazy Cubism. The idea is to use the selection tool to make shapes. Then use this month's brush for painting inside those selections and little by little build up your illustration. You can paint whatever you like for this month's challenge, as long as you do it in this style. I think it is a nice way to get out of your comfort zone and paint something fun. For my take on the challenge, I used this cool photo referenced by Karsten Weingart. Painting something cubist while using a photo reference is actually pretty cool because it forces you to think in terms of simplified shapes in order to translate what you're seeing to the cubist style. My process for this dog was to start painting the main silhouettes first, for the head, the body, and the legs, each on a separate layer. Then I added other smaller elements on separate layers as well, like the mouth, the chest, the ear interiors, the nose, and so on. With all the elements on separate layers, I alpha locked each layer so that I could only paint inside those areas. This would help me to use the selection tool for painting and detailing using this month's brush, which gives a nice texture by applying low pressure, or a more opaque outcome by painting with high pressure. Using the selection tool inside the already established shapes made rendering and detailing an easy task. On a side note, I know I used a color palette that matched my reference, but I thought since it is pretty monochromatic, it should work great for any kind of subject you choose to paint. After fully focusing on the face and the head, I then jumped to work on the body and the legs. Once I had the general painting done, I dedicated some time to add a few extra details on a layer on top of everything else. That way I didn't need to worry in what layer I was anymore, and I could focus on what final details I felt my painting needed. And this is the final result to my own take on the challenge. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page where you will find the challenge of the month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.